Before we begin, make sure that you're subscribed and hit that all notification option as well.
What's up guys, and welcome back to Mr. JC TV channel. And here we are going to unbox Vanish Fafnir. By the way, it came from Ramp Hobbies. Yep, we bought it from Ramp Hobbies, and of course, sponsored by none other than Mr. Marwin by the Bay Detective. Thank you very much, sponsor, and well, without you, this unboxing wouldn't be possible. Well, are we too late? Better late than never, that's what I always say. And wow, here it is. Finally, the latest generation of Fafnir in our hands. Well, let's go ahead and slip this open. Okay guys, right off the bat, that is your box. Well,
oh no!
I believe this is because of the courier. OMG, but well, there you go. Vanish Fafnir B185, of course. There you have it. Next, left side of the box. Right side, high mode and low mode. Very familiar, right? There you go, the back of the box. Now, just taking a quick look, we have Fafnir on the DB chip, Vanish on the ring, number 3 on this armor, tapered disc, of course, and last but not least, kick driver. And right over here, it shows the F gear attached on Belial. Is it trying to say that this is a hollow Death Scyther counter? Well, food for thought. So, yep, I forgot to mention, there is your F gear as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. Oh yes. Well, guys, if you may have figured it out already, this is only our second DB Bay. And well, that's because we're not that fortunate to get our hands on the Cyclone Ragnarok. So, there you go. First thing that I get to pull, of course, the F gear. Is it rubber? Yeah, it's rubber. Why don't we just open it, right? Why not? So, by the way, kids, if you're going to use knives, cutters, scissors, be very careful. If needed, get the help of your parents or your guardian. So, well, sticker sheet, of course, B185. Okay, next, of course, the F gear, and guys, this definitely is rubber. Look at that. I mean, imagine that this is getting installed on Belial. It's like the gimmick of Valkyrie is being applied onto that Beyblade. So really, really awesome. This thing is definitely hard plastic. The gold part is hard plastic, and this is definitely rubber, okay? So next, well, I just can't get used to this, guys, because, yeah, I mean, I've been bait tubing for almost, what, 2 years now, almost? And it's only the second time that I have flipped a flyer open. And look at the combos. Feel free to pause the video if in case you wish to copy it. And what's next? I believe this is Bahamut, and this one looks like Variant Ring. And of course, this is Dynamite. This other one looks like World Ring. This one I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, there you go. June 26th. That's like, what, less than 3 weeks from now? Well, good luck to those guys who can get them, but I'm sure that I won't get it. Whatever. So, of course, here we go. Come out, Fafnir. There you go. Oh yeah. Are we getting 4-star? Well, let's find out. Okay guys, if you may have noticed, I'm that shaky because of that excitement, but yep, the show must go on, and let's start with the DB core chip Fafnir. Look at that detail, guys. The golden dragon is definitely there. On his forehead, what's that? That's more like a Genshin Impact type of, you know, kind of thing. Anyway, yeah, of course the Dragon Balls, it's got 2, and
oh no!
OMG, I'm sorry. All that excitement, I dropped the DB core chip. But anyway, there you go. This is like really green, guys. Deep green. Looking at the teeth, it's got, yeah, it's similar to Belial. Okay, so it's got 3 teeth there, 4 clicks as usual. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 over 3. Okay, and yep. Enough of that, guys. Next is this phenomenal blade. This is the Vanish blade, guys. Look at that. Man, I'm just hoping, alright, that these dragon heads, well, since these dragon heads are the only thing that's plastic, the rest is hard rubber. Not really hard rubber, but yeah, soft rubber, I must say. These things are the only plastic stuff in this particular blade. I'm thinking if over time they might get detached. I hope not, okay? I hope not, guys. I hope not. But anyway, this thing really nullifies the attacks. We'll discuss more about this later. But yeah, we gotta move on to the next part. This is your 3 armor. That's how it looks like. The 3 pointed parts, not really pointed, but yeah, these are contact points. Well, it may look like contact points, but not really. They don't even play a role in terms of using counter mode. Well, supposedly counter mode is the high mode, because yeah, look at that. Because as you can see, they are not aligned with the cushion. This goes to say that the said 3 contact points are not in any way utilized as an attacking wing. So this armor definitely just shapes the ring, okay? That's what it does, nothing else. Well, of course, apart from it holding the core into this thing, yeah. So next is the tapered disc. Well, I know this is a stamina type bay, but it looks like a defense type disc. It's pretty low as well, which promotes LED. And yep, are we getting how many stars? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Anyway, yeah. Reb Hobbies, thank you very much for giving me a 4-starred. Well, I believe you can't see this. Yeah, this is just pure luck. This is not tampered with, guys. Yep. This is definitely the original tape. And yeah, there's no way that Irv or Ramp Hobbies could have tampered it and, you know, intentionally gave me 4-star. But Irv, thank you very much. Oh man. Well, lucky us, right? We are blessed with a 4-star tapered disc. Awesome, real awesome. Thank you very much. But anyway, we gotta discuss the next part, which is kick driver. What's featured in this thing is this plate. Does it rotate? Yes, it does. But it's not free spinning. Look at that. Yep. It's fighting, alright? It's not really spinning that much. The tradition is the spring.
Just like with all other Fafnir drivers, I believe they all have springs, so it's evident that they have followed that tradition, which is a good thing. But the tip is definitely fixed. It's not like the nothing driver, which retracts because of the spring. The tip is definitely pointed, which drives the Beyblade to dominate the center stadium within the first 3 seconds of the battle. And of course, lastly, the plate helps the bay climb the rim, especially when tilt launched.
So what are we waiting for? Let's assemble this thing. Low mode first. Wow, listen to those clicks.
Ooh.
Okay, this is a stamina bay, but the clicks are really strong. Are you kidding me? But anyway, so there you go, guys. Take a closer look at your Vanish Fafnir. That is just wow. Man, I can't wait for the BTB. Well, yep, close up. Next is your side profile, of course. Man, this thing is thick. And the bottom part, of course. Yep, 4 stars, there you go. And yep, I won't miss showing you guys the high mode as well. Yup, crunchy clicks right there, guys. But anyway, look at that massive gap. I can definitely smell an upgrade on this. Because, yeah. I believe, apart from the rings, or rather the blades getting upgrades, I believe these things, these discs, are meant to have upgrades too. So, well, hopefully. But, yeah, side profile. And there you go. Vanish Fafnir High Mode. Isn't that awesome? Well, of course, we're going to weigh this thing as well. So, let's get our weighing scale. Okay guys, with BBGs, it weighs about 71 grams. And with us, ooh, it might be the decimals that made this happen, okay? So it might be just 71 point something, but yeah, okay. Yeah, that got me thinking, guys. Alright, okay, so, yep, 72 grams, I'm taking it, okay? 72 or 73, real awesome. So let's go ahead and take this for a spin. I'm just kidding. Test spin will have to wait, because, yeah, we gotta show how this thing works. Okay, this is really simple and straightforward, guys. So, mainly, you're adding an additional rubber piece or ring under this dynamite blade, okay? So, your guide will be these locking mechanisms, okay? You got 4 in there. And under here, you got 4 as well, okay? So, mainly, how you would do it is, well, of course, you gotta get to that spot. There you go. Nice and tight. There's this orientation that won't work. So, like, when you mistakenly do this, nah, not gonna work. So, the locks are there, but nope, not locking. So, this is how you should do it. There you go. So, look at that ring. Well, Ramp Hobbies, we're going to have another rematch using the same combo you gave me last month.
Wow.
There you go. Yep, upgraded Dynamite Belial. Or Belial? I don't know. So, yep, we'll go for low mode, of course. By the way, guys, that's the key, okay? So, you gotta attach the F gear first before the armor. And then, of course, the chip. And you do your thing. And there you have it. Close up! I'm thinking if the F gear would have a recolor, red would be really, really sick. Man! So red here, black here, or yeah, it wouldn't be red and white, right? But yeah, red and black, I don't know. Takara Tomy, hear our wish. But yeah, there you go, guys. So, side profile, wow, extra blades in there, and rubber, really awesome. And of course, the bottom part, yep. There you go. So, well, of course, we're going to weigh this thing. Again, with BBGs, it weighed around 70. So, right here. Yep, same thing, guys. So, you can definitely see that this F gear is a game changer. Okay, 71 or 72, I'm taking it. Okay, so finally, this is what you're waiting for, guys. Let's do the test, spin, and battle. Okay, guys, of course, our launcher setup. And then the test spin. This is low mode, okay? Now, how to control the bay. If you are facing an all-out attack type bay and you want to avoid their full velocity attack, then you simply launch this way, alright? Level launch and as much as possible in the middle of the stadium. So this is how it works. There you go. Yep, for a moment there, I thought it's going to sound like Lamborghini, but no. It doesn't sound like a Lambo, okay? Now, let's continue. If this is the part where you want this to climb on the inner rim, simply do a tilt launch. So, yep, there you go. So, the performance is just about the same when you're doing low mode or high mode, so we're not going to demonstrate high mode on this anymore. So, another. Yep. Real awesome.
Ooh.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's go for a test battle. Okay, guys, I have Justice Lee with me right now, and we will see if Vanish outdates Mirage. Let's go! Okay, guys, I'll be doing level launch for this time, okay? Go! Okay, guys, there we go. We are in the middle. We are at the center stadium while he is doing that thing. Are you the one doing kick counter? But anyway, yep, there you go. Incoming hits, yep. Quick attacks. No solid hits, okay? No huge impacts at the time, guys. This is left spin versus left spin, of course. With Vanish Fafnir, we are using counter mode, okay? While low mode, wow, look at that LAD. Yep, that's low mode for you guys. Now we will try tilt launching. Go! Okay, guys, there you go. Ooh, that's what you call solid hit right there. Just one. Is there going to be a second? No, I don't think so. Yep, just wow. those are quick counters, okay? I haven't seen a kick counter, but at the moment, look at that, guys. Ooh, not so smart. Yep. Well, that's the lesson right there. If you're going to fight a stamina bay as well, might as well not do a tilt launching, okay? And look at that, guys. Do you see that? One click, okay? One click. I believe this one doesn't have any. Yeah. Yep, it doesn't have any. But yeah, one click, okay? Well, next battle, of course, Dynamite Belial. Okay guys, next battle as per the anime, that's Fafnir versus Belial. Well, this is without the F gear for now, okay? So just so we can see. Let's get it on! Okay guys, as per usual, I'll be doing a level launch first on this first round. Go! Okay guys, there we have it. Ooh, no solid hits. Whoa, wow, that's a good hit, but, well, not enough for a KO. Incoming hit. There we go. Yep, just soft hits, guys. Well, unfortunately, Dynamite Belial just went over that first or inner rim, and now we are tilting. Guys, who gets the LED? Whoa. It's a draw once again. But yep, we gotta try tilt launching this time. Okay, guys, this time it's tilt launching. Go! Okay, guys. Ooh, whoa. Was that a double hit, guys? That's really awesome, but I really want to see a kick counter. Okay, but it looks like it's not happening at the moment. But yeah, there you go. Quick barrage of attacks from... Oh, was that a kick counter? I don't know. Wow. Crunchy hits, guys. Crunchy hits. And who gets... Oh, I think it's Fafnir, okay? By just a tiny bit of a fraction right there. But anyway, there you go, guys. Next battle, we gotta install the F gear. Okay, guys, ready for the rematch? Now here's Belial with the F gear installed. Let's get it on. Okay, guys, level launch first. Go! Okay, guys, there we have it. No huge hits at the moment. Full velocity attack from Dynamite Belial. Definitely not venture shoot, okay? Wow, is he staying there forever? There you go. Incoming hit. Yep. Quick barrage of attacks. And yeah, it looks like Fafnir is getting bullied, guys. But yeah, it all boils down to LAD. Who gets it? Ooh, it's a draw. Man, that's a draw. Okay, guys, tilt launch this time. Go! Oh, solid hit right there. Yep. No hard hits. Yep. Vanish Fafnir is definitely it definitely knows how to evade attacks right there. But yeah, it looks like it's spin stealing at the moment. And now it all boils down to LAD. Well, still another draw. Well, what can you say about this bay? Comment down below, guys. But yeah, for me, Takara Tomy really gave a lot of thoughts on this, okay? Why? Because if you're going on high mode, there is this real possibility that this thing will tilt, okay? The good part is, if a Beyblade imbalanced Vanish Fafnir and it tilted, okay, it will perform a kick counter because of this plate right here. So that's the dangerous part. Not because you can imbalance this thing, you can win. Nope. Because it can definitely use this plate right here to either counter or to evade more of your attacks. Not to mention these hollow parts right here. It nullifies the attacks of an opposing Beyblade. Definitely. If not, spin steal. So, real awesome, guys. We're hoping that we get to get the next Valkyrie. Hold on for that. But for now, guys, I want you to comment down below your favorite combos because you know what's next? It's BTB. Well, thank you guys for sticking around and for watching this video, of course. Once again, this is Mr. JC TV. Bounce now.